Oh, seems legit. That is not what I came out here to film, but cool. The trains are probably going to be not the best. This is the 2006 Amma. I don't know if you can see the compressor up in there, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this one first, and we'll do my Frigidaire. I don't know how well you heard that. But it is running. Oh, well, you can see the compressor in there. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure, but that's the 06 Amma. That is high. Never done a video from the outside of it. Well, I have, but not to this extent. Then we have my Frigidaire over there. The GE's running. It is about 80 degrees out here right now. So gonna test that one and mine. Just to see how they're running. This one needs to be just replaced in general. It's had better days, that's for damn sure. It works. I can't get in here, so apologies. It works. That is cold. I'm moving that pillow. Yeah. It's cold. This needs to be taken out of the window and fucking cleaned, but my fucking grandparents won't let me, so it's kind of annoying. Yeah, it runs. It works. So I'm gonna shut it down from in here. It's because I don't know. There's the data plate. You read that if you want. I don't exactly know who made this unit. I don't know if it was Amma or if it was some other brand just sold under that name. Not entirely sure on that. I think we'll get an outside startup of this tomorrow. Right now I don't really feel like doing it, even though the tripod is outside. There goes a diesel. I don't know if you can see the tripod. No, you can't. You can't really see the tripod, but yeah. It might be a little vibraty, but yeah, we're gonna do a startup of this from the outside tomorrow. Right now, I kind of just want to let it run and see how it does. That one I know works. This one I know works as well, but you never know. Jesus, that's getting cold. Don't mind my shit everywhere. Don't mind my shit everywhere. This I still have to do a review on, but I want to do it on the wall over there, so yeah, we're not gonna talk about this for a minute. I have to find somewhere to put these actually. But yeah, there's the Frigidaire. That sounds so southern. There's the Frigidaire. I think I might upload this and get it out of the way, and then I want to do the video that I want to do. So yeah, there's the startup of the 2 air conditioners.